10 lines essay on unity in diversity. First line, India is a country of diversities. Second line, we speak different languages. Third line, we are having different cultures, traditions, and religions. Fourth line, we have various types of food. Fifth line, we celebrate different festivals. Sixth line, still we always maintain unity. Seventh line, it promotes peace and tolerance. Eighth line, it brings harmony and understanding. Ninth line, it makes nations strong. Tenth line, India is the best example for unity in diversity.
वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और अगर चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।